Hi guys, it's Kat's from K-Kat's Vegan Kitchen. Welcome to another episode. Thank you for tuning in today. Thank you for following along on my whole food plant-based weight loss journey. I hope you'll consider subscribing below and hitting that notification bell. I will be doing recipes as promised. As long as I get over 100 subscribers, I will release my first video, which will be my nacho cheese. It's not like any of the other ones out there, so please subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can see it. I promise it is amazing and so good. So I just wanted to do a really quick video. Hopefully it'll be really quick in regards to my 6-week weight loss journey. And I was doing the Eat to Live diet, which is from this book here. And I could say I stopped after 6 days in terms of my salad portions. They were way too much for me. I've never liked salads and I was afraid that that would happen. It definitely happened. And the reason I stopped also at 6 days is because my fiber increased an incredible amount that got me to the state of extreme constipation to the point that I couldn't get out of bed. It was horrible. Thank goodness it passed. Kind of a funny there, but thanks to Chef AJ, she was able to explain why that happened. Is because when you go from an extremely processed diet, even if it's not vegan or a vegan over processed diet, which I was on because I've been vegan for 5 years now, increasing your fiber to that amount will throw your system off and you will experience excruciating pain. And that's what happened to me. So after my 6 days, I started doing the Starch Solution, incorporating more starches into my diet, and wow, is everything functioning good. So since then, I have lost an incredible amount of weight. Within the 6-week diet, I started at 249.8, and I was currently at 216.8, which is a 33-pound loss, which is huge. So definitely, if you're looking for quick weight loss and you love salads, definitely do that diet. It works. Typically your weight loss results is 10 to 20 pounds. So I got 33. I guess I'm lucky? No, I just really stayed focused and I didn't get off of it. And I still haven't been off of it. So in regards to where I am at now, it is 8 weeks. So that's 2 months. Yeah, 2 months of weight loss. And I'm at 45 pounds altogether, which is incredible. I'm at 204.8 and I can't believe it. It has been so easy, so effortless. And I've been eating huge amount of portions. That's the crazy side of it. On any other diet I've ever been on, it's always calorie restriction, portion controls, just tiny eating. And this is huge plates. If you guys want to see my humongous plates, go and check out my Instagram at K-Kat's Vegan Kitchen and you will see all my plates there. And I do promise that a lot of people have been reaching out. I do promise to get to you in terms of the videos and the foods that you are requesting. And like I said, after 100 subscribers, you will be seeing more food recipes. So I just wanted to send this quick update, and to stay focused, keep hydrated, drink water, stay away from other sugary drinks, juices, all that kind of stuff. And just continue to eat your potatoes, your non-starchy vegetables, your beans, everything, your fruits, just to fill your body. And remember to keep it whole food plant-based diet, keep it in its original form, and eat it to your full content. Thank you guys for watching, and just keep blessed. And remember always, one life, one love, one purpose. Go out and do you today, and never let anybody stop you from your dreams and succeeding what you want to succeed. And keep on following along. Please hit that notification bell, please, and subscribe, of course. And if you want to see how I lost the weight, and you will see pictures at the end of my before and after at the 6-week mark, as well as some food. So thanks, see you later, bye.
Alright guys, so this is a part of the video where I'm going to be showing you videos of some of the food I made. This one here is just a stir fry, and I found out what sriracha is, or I've always known what sriracha was, but I decided to try it. Oh goodness, it is so good. You need to put this stuff on your food if you're looking for a kick. It's definitely hot, so I put a little bit just to try it out, but definitely I can always add more if I needed it. Topped it with some cucumbers and some green onions, and it was absolutely delicious. The next plate that's going to be coming up is what I typically eat, which is like rice. It was the leftovers of the fried rice again, and then I have some sweet potatoes, some grilled veggies, and of course I topped it off with sriracha sauce. And this was delicious as well. Alright, so I made some brown rice and I decided to top it off with mushroom stroganoff. This was really good. This is going to be one of the recipes that I will be making for you guys. You don't have to worry about that you're not going to be able to try it out. It is definitely worth trying. It was so creamy, so delicious, and the mushrooms were cooked perfectly. Then I topped it off with green onions and of course added some cucumbers on the side. I love adding cucumbers. It just increases your water content, as well as it's a natural diuretic, so if you need to go to the washroom, it's going to flush out your fat even faster. So definitely always top your food with some cucumbers inside, and it also helps cool down if something is way too hot or spicy. So absolutely delicious. Try it out. So my husband bought me the griddler. It's the Cuisinart griddler, and it comes with the waffle plates. I decided to do the hash browns just like Hannah, and I believe Kiki's done it, but also Jane and Ann Esselstyn. Their videos are so funny, you need to watch it. So I decided to make it, and I topped it off with ketchup. And yes, these are huge portions, and yes, you will still lose weight. Typically I lose about a pound a day. Now this is the best part. This was my Canadian Thanksgiving. We made lasagna, mashed potatoes, we had some cucumbers on the side, I made squash, and I made a lentil loaf, like a meatloaf, and it was very, very good. Now the lasagna I made for my daughter because it does have the regular, like the Daiya cheese inside, and I was not interested in trying it. I know what it tastes like because I know it's very good, but I wasn't going to eat it because I am doing the oil-free portion of the starch solution, so I wanted to stay away from it. But I just wanted to share with you what it looked like inside, so I decided to cut it open. It has zucchini inside and the Eve's soya curls or soya crumbles, as well as I make my own ricotta cheese out of firm tofu, and it turns out really, really good and delicious. And this is my daughter's must-haves. Anytime that she could get it, she will eat it, no problem. And that was her Thanksgiving with everything else. And I want to share what the lentil loaf looks like inside, so I decided to cut it for you and plate it. And this was my Thanksgiving meal, and it was very, very delicious. And if you want to see the portions again, follow me on Instagram at KCat's Vegan Kitchen, and you will see what my plate looked like. Now this day I decided to make my black beans, and I decided to use the Butler soya curls as the meat alternative. Now in this dish is called Feijoada, and it's a Portuguese dish where typically they use like pig ears and pigtails and all that kind of nasty stuff that typically would be in it. But this is considered a poor man's food in Brazil, and there's a song that goes with it that they just add water when more people show up because it's sauce that you add to your beans, but it was really, really good, and I'm planning to do some videos of having other cultures' food and doing the vegan twist on it. All right, this was the best ever day. I decided to make a pizza with my daughter. We split it 4 ways. So the first half there, I am covering with lettuce on top after it was baked because I made a Big Mac pizza. Yes, it was so good. And you will see the clip of me trying it out. I'm about to add my homemade mac sauce. Very delicious. So it's made with the Mr. McDougall or Dr. McDougall's mayonnaise recipe, which is out of tofu, and I added in relish and spices, and it created the perfect mac sauce, and it was delicious. On the next pizza beside it, I did a barbecue chicken soya curl with a barbecue base sauce and homemade mozzarella cheese that I just tested out to see if it would work, and it worked out perfectly. And I'm topping it with some ranch, and again, it's the same base as the other mayonnaise, and I just alter the ingredients to make it in ranch style.
Alright guys, here is my take of a Pie-Calypse Now Big Mac, I think it is, or Fat Mac is what they call it. So I made my own mac sauce, put lettuce, there's pickles and onions, just like you would find in sesame seeds on it, and cheese, and I used the soya curls as crumbles. Let's give it a try. Oh my gosh. That is so good. I will make a recipe. Bye, guys. It's dripping, guys. This one here, I made a ranch barbecue, I guess chicken with barbecue sauce and the soya curls. And I made my own ranch sauce, and it's on top of a whole wheat, which is homemade from Rip Esselson's recipe. So definitely try it out. Here we go. I don't know. That's a tie. Best part about this is these slices are 100 calories, which is amazing. Yeah. Today we made something super special. I made my barbecue soya curls, cucumbers, zucchini leftovers, and eggplant leftover that I had from yesterday. But I decided to make Portuguese, they call it red rice, which is like a tomato rice. And I made it in the Instant Pot. It turned out perfect, as well as mashed potatoes, potato salad. This is epic and amazing, so good. I will promise to make recipes on how to make these two things. I know you guys have been requesting it, but this is how I eat it. I put it into the red rice. I mix it through, and perfection. Oh, so good. Thanks for watching, guys. See you soon. Bye.